All right, hello everybody. What we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at using Secret Server platform with Perplexity Comet browser. So this is exciting, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do voice activation, and it's going to navigate us through what we need to do within our journey within the privileged access management solution, the enterprise solution of Secret Server. So let's get started. So let me get going. All right, take us to settings. All right, now that we're in settings, let's go to take us to access. Terrific. Now go to groups. Very good. Take us to Secret Server Pacer. Excellent. Now open up most used. Go to Secret Server. Go to most used, please. Terrific. Now go to discovery. Let's take a look at creating a new source. I would like some help with this, please. All right, please create a help document right here on this page. Yes, I would. Go to inventory. I would like to see assets, please. Let's go to groups. All right, let's go to inventory again. Go to Access Explorer. Identity policies. That is good. I think we're done now. Thank you. All right, so next up, we're going to do some use cases within Perplexity Comet browser. So let's get started. So first up, what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to open up a secret. So let's get started here, and we're going to click on the. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up secret Bert cache. Okay, next up, why don't we go to discovery. Let's create a new source. Please give me guidance. Very good. Thank you. And take me to Marketplace now. I would like to go to Downloads. Okay, very good. So next up, what I want to do is I want to go to Threat Center. Could we create another alert? Can you show me how to do that? That's fine. Why don't we go to Settings now? Very good. Let's go to Groups. I think we're good here. Why don't we go to Home now and finish up? I think that's all. Thank you very much.